Well, it's looking like we got some high clouds today. Starting out this morning, probably about 9:30 right now, Friday morning, and I'm out at the beach. And let's go outside. Got myself a real sandy spot here. I was having fun playing out in the sand yesterday. These clouds are supposed to go away after lunch, and the wind's supposed to pick up a lot stronger. This is a pretty nice spot I was in last night. As you can see, the sand is so deep here, but just went right through it. I knew I was going to come out to a more difficult spot to drive around on, so I left the trailer back, and I'm practicing here with this. Got the tires down to about 30 right now, 30 psi. Probably take them down to 25 and see how that works out. On the other side of the berm here, we have the channel. This is this channel going out of Coos Bay, the jetty here. There's the high pressure area. You see it in the distance. Clouds are cleared up. Ocean is pretty flat. It was almost as flat as a lake last night. It was real surprising. It looked more like the Atlantic Ocean, which is almost like a pond at times. Later, the waves should be picking up a lot. Be picking up a north wind, and should see some good surf. I'm surprised I haven't seen anybody out here yet. There were a couple ATVs came by, a 4x4 truck that was out here doing donuts. You can probably see the tracks are still there. The beach down there is some kind of birds are nesting, so they want everyone to stay away from them. And that happens during the summertime here. But you can still go down to the wet beach, the wet sand, and go all the way north again if you wish. But not on the dry sand. Pretty neat out here. You know, some people are saying, "Oh, what are you saying? You're at the beach?" Well, you know, I'm at the beach. You know, this is the beach. On the other side over here is the Coos Bay, you know, the actual bay side. And you can see the sand. It is just soft, fine, and you go deep down into it. Unless you have high-rise, high-lift 4x4 vehicles, you're stuck. You know, calling AAA or paying out the nose for some tow truck come out and get you. You know, we had something walking around out here, some tracks. I don't recognize, probably a raccoon or something. ATV down here. I see the red flag. I didn't hear them come in. They may have come in along the beach. But this is the other side. It just might be a Jeep. Yeah, it's just a Jeep. Might be camping out over there or fishing down on the jetty. Lots of animal tracks up in here. Looks like some deer. Oh, there's a boat down here. People fishing. And I see the top of a fishing pole right there. That's what the Jeep's doing here. Yeah, there's a nice little spot there for people to come down and camp. But, just a nice little spot here. Secluded. People pop in, pop out. It's Friday, so I'm staying here until tomorrow. And probably head out for the races again Saturday night. This is Army Corps of Engineer land right here. And as long as you don't go on the protected area for the birds, you're fine. Should be a real pretty day later. Hopefully the wind won't get, too bad. I'll be pointed toward the wind there. I'm in a nice little secluded spot there behind some dunes. We're looking northerly now, so the wind will be coming toward the front. Can't be any happier with this this camper van. So far it's able to do everything I want. The sand, I'm just sinking down into it myself as I'm walking here. You can see my tracks as I just came across here earlier. Just digs down deep, and this thing flows right over it. Well, hopefully the wind wasn't too bad, making wind noise here. Otherwise, just doing this, what you do when you got nothing to do, enjoying life. I hope everyone else has a great weekend. Get out and enjoy yourself. Adios.